We're going to make a book out of scrap paper, a little book that you could write a story in. All you need is some tape, scissors, a pencil, and a piece of paper. And it doesn't matter if there's something on one side of the paper as long as one side of the paper is plain. So first we're going to take the sheet of paper and fold it in half lengthwise, the long way, just like I'm doing here. Try to get it as good a fold as you can. Now we have a line going down the middle of the sheet of paper, and we're going to cut right along that line. And you want to be as careful as you can. Try to cut a nice straight line. Now see, I made a mistake there already, but it doesn't really matter because nobody's going to see it. Just try to make it as good as you can though. Take your time. Don't rush. I'm rushing. That's why I keep messing up. All right. Now we're going to take this one half of the paper that we cut and we're going to fold it again lengthwise. And again, that fold is going to make a nice little line for us to cut along. I'm going to try to do a better job cutting this time. There. That's a little bit better. Now we're going to make a book out of one of these pieces of paper. Save the other ones because you can make more books with these. So what we do here is we take this one and fold it this way, like that. And then fold it like that. And fold it like that. Now you have something like this, and then take this fold in the middle, fold it the other way. So you have something like that. Now you take each one of these, fold it in half. You try to get it lined up nicely along the edges because you can see we're starting to make the pages of a book. Fold this last one over. And I could have been more careful and had it line up better, but that's pretty good. Now, it's just like a little book. And the side that had printing on it, all that printing is going to be hidden because what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of tape about the same length as the book, a little bit shorter, put it right along the edge here. And there's the book. Now I can start writing my book. And there I have a little miniature book. And when I get done writing that one, I can take the rest of the paper and make some more books. So you can wind up having a lot of these little books. It's a lot of fun. You get to write a new story with each book.